I'm excited to share with you these beautiful roses from Rose Forever in New York. It's my very first collaboration on my relatively new channel. Just 11 months ago, I had the idea that it would be fun to start a YouTube channel and share my love of crafting and home decorating and creating beautiful gifts. And here, just 11 months later, I have over 2,000 subscribers and my very first collaboration with this wonderful company that makes these gorgeous roses that make a beautiful gift of elegance and thoughtfulness. They come in a variety of sizes and styles, and they're perfect for gift giving and celebrating the people you love. These luxurious roses are 100% natural, fresh roses, including roses from Ecuador, and they use only natural oils to preserve the roses, nothing chemical. They're handcrafted by professional rose artisans. They come in round, square, and even heart-shaped boxes in many sizes, ranging from 9 roses to 49 roses per box. The box that they gifted to me has 16 of these luxurious blue roses. The crystal boxes also have a drawer for keeping jewelry. All the rose boxes are covered in the material of vegan suede and velvet, and the flowers are allergen-free. They're delivered worldwide, and if you use my code LisaK30, you'll get $30 off of your order. I have that coupon code listed below in the description. Now, as we do some gingerbread crafting, I'll show you other ways that will create some fun vignettes and include those gorgeous roses as a beautiful enhancement. Every setting is enhanced with beautiful flowers. For our first gingerbread craft, you just need to buy one of the $1.25 vases from Dollar Tree. These cylindrical vases are so useful and can be used not only as vases, but candle holders as well. Here, I'm adding some of the Dollar Tree window clings to the vase. You can see that they just go on so easily and hug the vase, and instantly you have a decorative container. Should you decide to rearrange your window clings, they peel off easily and you can reposition them. In fact, I have ones that I reuse from season to season and just change the window clings. The next thing we're going to do is add one of the illuminated battery-powered candles. Especially during the holidays, candlelight adds a special festive glow to anything that you design. You could make 2 of these for your dining table. Now at Dollar Tree, they sell the candlesticks for $1.25, and they're so useful for elevating so many different kinds of decorative items, and they work really well for these cylindrical vases. You can see how this candlestick is so beautifully transformed by simply spray painting it with the Krylon metallic gold. You can see how elevating the candle beautifully enhances the appearance and gives it more presence in any display setting. A drop of E6000 or some hot glue will hold it in place. Now don't blink, because that's how quickly and easily our next craft can be made. All you need is a Dollar Tree nightlight for $1.25 and one of the window clings off the sheet. You simply attach the window cling to the front plastic and light it up. It's a festive glow in the evening light. Here's another easy, fun way to make a frozen confection. Using some whipped cream, fill some gingerbread-shaped cookie cutters. I just squirted the whipped cream in till it filled up, and then I used a knife to level off the surface. I sprinkled some little sprinkles from the baking section of the grocery store over the wet surface, and then I just put them in the freezer to freeze for a couple of hours. I have 3 different sizes of these cookie cutters, so I made the large one first, and you can see that it slips right out of the cookie cutter. It does melt very quickly though, so be sure that you keep it frozen until you're ready to use it. The next thing I did was to make some delicious hot cocoa using this Hershey's hot cocoa. The recipe is on the back and it's really delicious. You add hot milk, a little hot water, some vanilla extract, some sugar, and a dash of salt, and it is fabulously good. Breaking this off because it's so large, I'm just adding a piece. But if you make the smaller gingerbread men, you could add the whole thing to the top. These smaller ones are so adorable, and wouldn't they be cute floating on the surface of the hot cocoa or decorating a piece of Thanksgiving pumpkin pie? The theme of this video is definitely easy gingerbread. Here are 2 ornaments I got for $1.25 from Dollar Tree. Taking one of them and using a Sharpie marker, I'm just writing my friend's name across the banner. I'm going to give it to her attached to her birthday gift, and then she can use it to hang on her Christmas tree. And here's another fun idea I want to share with you. I used these last Christmas as well. These collapsible storage containers from Dollar Tree are just $1.25, and they have fabric on them. I am using it as a box to arrange some gifts for my friend's birthday. And then I'm just going to attach this little personalized gingerbread girl to the front. I think this makes an adorable way to present a gift. Here's some of the projects that I've created last winter. I plan to do a DIY to demonstrate how to create this gingerbread house using the little doll houses from Dollar Tree. Here's the little nightlight that we just made, as well as the pine cone trees you see in the background. Here are the gorgeous roses from Rose Forever, and I want to express my gratitude to them for believing in me as a new channel and sending such a lovely gift. I have displayed these beautiful roses in a variety of settings, and they look good anywhere I put them. They are just a beautiful pop of luxurious color. You can see in the background too the candle holder we made with the window clings, as well as the illuminated candle inside. Underneath the gingerbread house, you can see I used one of the bright red plaid placemats from Dollar Tree. They have some in both red and green plaid, and you can make decorative Christmas pillows with them as well. The red yarn wrap tree is one of a set that I made last winter as well, and those can be found on my playlist under Christmas crafting. When I was taking my little dog Daisy for a walk this afternoon, I was surprised and delighted to see some of Santa's reindeer off in the woods. I imagine they'll soon be returning to the North Pole for that magical Christmas flight. And speaking of magic, I think this Rose Forever New York does an amazing job of preserving these natural roses in these vibrant, vivid colors, so that you can enjoy a lovely bouquet of roses for a whole year. So many live arrangements only last a week, and this is just a gift that will surely keep on giving. If you would like to order these gorgeous roses, I have the coupon code LisaK30 for $30 off your order. I think they would make a beautiful gift for Thanksgiving, Christmas, birthdays, anniversaries, weddings, new baby. They arrive packaged beautifully, and what a breathtaking gift. Thank you for joining me for this very special video. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have creating it. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Take care and God bless.